As humans, we are addicted to story. The Hollywood entertainment industry caters to our thirst for stories by providing us with theatrical films and television shows. We live vicariously through the pleasures and pains of the characters, and in the process, we reflect on our own lives. But historically, there has been a lack of racial and ethnic diversity in film and television, both in front of and behind the camera. This reality has meant limited access to employment for minorities. This was made apparent recently when the Oscar nominations for the 2015 ceremony were announced. The nominees were overwhelmingly Caucasian, and the only movie with a minority cast up for any awards was Selma. This year, 36 million people watched the Academy Awards, and the message it conveyed, however unintentionally, is hard to miss. Certain voices matter more than others. But the real issue lies within the industry as a whole, which is why I will be evaluating Hollywood as whitewashed for underrepresenting minorities in the production, visual, and merit sectors of the industry. The underrepresentation of minorities within the production sector of Hollywood has to do with what goes on behind the camera. These people are responsible for creating and delivering to us the images depicted on screen. The 2014 Hollywood Diversity Report issued by UCLA found that out of 172 top films it examined, only 7.6% were written by minorities, while 12.2% had minority directors. Broadcast television fared even worse, with the majority of shows having minorities directing and writing just 10% or less of its episodes. These percentages are embarrassingly low, but a bigger problem is evident when we look at a similar report done in 1978. We can see these past percents for minorities being employed in production are very close to present-day values. But culturally, we have come a long way from some of the events that created barriers for minorities in our past. So one has to question why minorities still have such low rates of employment in the industry.